Hi everyone, welcome to this new series of video called Draw With Us. I am Sam.
I'm Emmy.
And today we're gonna draw a...
Minion!
Let's go, Emmy.
Okay, so first we're gonna start with the eye. So we're gonna do 2 circles. So first 1 circle and another circle. And we're gonna make them stick together. Or almost, if you so now we're gonna draw tiny circles in the big circles. We're gonna do a little round circle white and a black circle like this. And we're gonna do the same thing. So a little round circle, white thing, and a black thing. So next step, we're gonna do maybe another round circle around the...
Okay, so he wears some glasses. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna do just the head first. So first we're gonna do like a rainbow, but we're gonna connect it to the glasses. And
now we're gonna do maybe the mouse?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the mouse.
So we did it here, we leave a little white space. And now we draw a U, a big U. And then we connect them in line, maybe a little bit curved. And now for the tongue, let's do actually the teeth. So,
the teeth, okay, teeth.
So we do like little U's in the middle. And let's do the tongue.
Alright.
So we're gonna get a little rainbow shape and continue like this and just like this. Then you do the same thing on the side, like this. So
now we
color.
Oh, I think we're gonna color after, but maybe we should finish the body.
Yeah. So after this head, imagine it's coming here, pass, and then you're gonna continue here. Do a little round part. And then you connect here in the same line as this one. And then we're gonna do maybe the arms.
Sure, yeah, let's do.
So we're gonna do one little line, a line a little bit on the side, and for the hand, he has only 3 fingers.
Yes, it's always like that in the cartoons.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
So we're gonna do a rainbow shape,
With the thumb.
and then a big rainbow shape, and then a little rainbow shape, and we can do a little maybe here. And now we're gonna do maybe this. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side.
Okay.
And he's gonna be jumping, so we're gonna draw his shadow. So I just seam. So I'm gonna imagine his hand is on the side, but always if you have, cause.
So we do the fingers.
Yeah, you explain because I did.
Okay.
Now.
The feet.
We're gonna make them like a little bit space under. Maybe we can draw rainbow like this and then a line. We're gonna maybe do a little space. He's going to do it jumping. I'm just like doing it like he's like this in his arm, like this. And now we're gonna draw his clothes. So we're gonna put one line
It's like
here.
suspenders.
Yeah.
Okay.
And another line here. And it needs to be not under the arm, not on the arm, because the arm needs to go through it.
Okay,
And then
yeah, makes sense.
The same thing. On the other side, lines. Then we do a line here. And a line here to connect to his body. Because it's going to go around. Now we're going to do the pocket. Or maybe I should wait for
The pocket on the front here.
So we're going to do a U. And we're going to trace a line. And then you do a little line here. Big line. And like this to do the pocket. Okay.
Looks good. Looks good.
Yeah. Maybe we should do details for the shoes.
Sure, we can do that.
Like we can trace a line here, another line here. Now we're gonna color in the shoes, maybe in the mouth.
Yeah,
So
let's do that.
We're gonna, alright. We use Sharpies, but you can use anything else, like pencil.
And because he's jumping, maybe we should do the shadow.
For you, because I'm not jumping.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna draw a banana in this hand.
Okay,
So you do
mine is jumping and you is holding
A big
banana.
C. And you draw another C, but it's a little bit little. And then you do a little rectangle or square maybe. And then you can do a little black or like a little circle. And
It
now
looks good. So now we're gonna
draw first the line here. Okay.
color his body, like in
Yeah.
yellow, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright.
So
And what about his pants? gonna be
that's
blue?
Blue.
What do you think? This one?
So we're
This
gonna
one looks good?
Yellow, yeah. Maybe we should take a little bit, like maybe a little bit darker. I'm gonna take this one.
Did this one? No,
No,
it's not
that's
this one.
this one.
Perfect. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, maybe for the eyes.
Oh yeah.
Could be great.
So, eyes.
So it's better if you sign your drawing
Yeah.
and you put the date, at least a year, so that it's a good souvenir for when you will be a grown-up,
Yeah.
right?
So you can pause the video if you wanna color the same thing. So me and more. We're finished.
And here we go. A nice minion. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you like this type of videos, please subscribe. Hit this bell button so that you receive a notification each time we post a new video. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.